Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, March 7th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update we have UK the UK will implement in many websites a new age verification system called Age ID. So many websites that have adult content like Pornhub and RedTube, for example, are going to abide through this new system. Age ID will let you register once, and it will work everywhere once you've registered for the first time, and will accept for verification either passport, driver's license, secret code sent through text messaging or SMS, or credit card. And once you've subscribed to the service, well, it'll give you access with apparently easily to any adult websites afterwards. In talking about adult websites, in the United States, internet service providers might actually ask you to pay $20 to unblock porn sites. In a bill that is actually trying to pass through the US Senate, apparently there could be such a deal that you might need to pay extra for porn on the internet. And of course, many privacy and net neutrality advocates are saying, well, this is the first and the start of losing net neutrality. Windows 10 S Mode. Joe Belfiore from Microsoft has clearly announced that in 2019, every Windows 10 operating system on PCs will support S Mode, and it's coming next year in 2019. So that means that at some point we will have an update eventually that will give us an S Mode that will be something you can turn on or off within your operating system. So this is interesting, and we'll talk more about it in the upcoming tech show on Thursday. Cortana is getting some improvements. It can now officially have Outlook integration, have your email through Outlook as you wish, and this will also work with the Invoke speaker. A update to the Invoke speaker is actually giving it the capability right now, and also some improvements apparently. So if you've got an Invoke, why not make sure that you check out if you have the latest update available. Yesterday, Redstone 4 build 17115 rolled out to Fast Ring Insiders, once again showing us that with 4 builds in 12 days, the race for 1803 is on. So that means that we're really getting close to the official release. And of course, my quick look and review will be coming up a little later today, so check that out. Well, last year we talked about Alexa and Cortana teaming up, and basically it was kind of an interesting idea. Everybody was surprised, but you might have noticed that since then we haven't heard anything about this. Well, after somebody asked if this was still going on, it seems that basically it's still in the works, and that but we just don't know when this is going to happen. Well, in some new leaks, the Ryzen 2nd generation CPUs have been shown to be absolutely fantastic, and they were showing up in one test how the turbo clock speeds of the AMD Ryzen 2 could reach 4.35 gigahertz, making the Ryzen 2 the fastest chips ever made by AMD. And so this is going to be interesting, a promise of already a very good product, but that will be even better. Blackberry was all known for a long time for its rock-solid security, to a point where even some organizations were saying, well, you know, we can't really get into anything because it's just so well done. Well, Blackberry is about to actually get this security and sell the technology to other companies, meaning you might buy an Android phone and have the same security system that the Blackberry used. Apparently, it might be coming to all the phones that they want to. Well, Best Buy is in hot water a little bit, but it's a very complex issue. So what's happening is that some privacy groups say the company should not be looking at users' devices after Best Buy has called the FBI to actually kind of complain because they've seen child porn pictures in the computers of some of its users or of its PCs that they were fixing. So after seeing child porn pictures, they actually did one thing. It's to basically call the cops. So, you know, it's a very complex issue here. And I think that there's fairness in this, in the way that, you know, yeah, you shouldn't be looking at pictures, you know, from users, but at the same time, you know, I don't know, very complex issue. And we'll be talking about that, and I'll give my tech guy point of view also about it in Thursday's show. If you have made purchases on the Nike website, well, maybe you should be worried. Apparently a vulnerability has made server passwords in the clear within the Nike servers that some people say maybe there could have been some data leaks. Not really sure exactly up to what point right now, as the company isn't saying much. So I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see if we learn more about this. And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, March 7th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.